Hi guys, the seller gifted me this dash cam so I can show you all its cool features. Now the cool thing about this dash cam is it's specially made for the Mazda CX-5 and CX-9. So it'll fit right near the mirror and I'll show you how to install it. Let's go ahead and open the box just so you can see what it looks like when we open the box. Let's see, open like this. Oh, look at this. It comes with a 64 gigabit SD card. So that's nice. You don't have to buy one of those separately. Most of the time with dash cameras, you have to buy them separately. It's nice that the seller sent that to me. We have an instruction manual how to do it. It's all wrapped up nicely. Wrapped up some more. There it is. It's all nice in that housing. So it's going to look factory when we're done. Really like that. You know, sometimes in dash cameras that are add-ons, they don't look factory and they just, you know, are kind of an eyesore on your dash. Look at this. So it comes with the adapter that you need to adapt it to the factory harness. So that's where you get the power right there. It also comes with a screwdriver, which you're going to need. And it comes with a little plastic tool to undo the centerpiece. And what else do we got here? Oh, it's an SD card reader. So if you needed to read the, get the SD card out and get the raw footage off of it. So let's go ahead and install it in my wife's CX-5 and show you how cool it looks. Okay, I got the SD card. I'm going to go ahead and install it in the slot before I put it up in the car. So just put it in like that and push it till you hear click. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is take this tool, and there's a slot in the middle of there's a slot right here that we're gonna stick the tool in. And you kind of separate the plastic. And by separating the plastic, these two pieces come off. Well, that's where the dash camera is going to go. So after you do that, then you open your glass holder here, and there's 2 bolts in here, or 2 screws. All right, the screws were in there too tight for me to get them out with this, so I did use my drill to get out these 2 bolts. So the next part is we gotta take this part out right here. Okay, it just pulls straight down, and there's some clips right here. Now there's a clip right here. There's a clip that goes to the rain sensor. So first we're gonna undo these clips just to get it out of our way. Actually, I'm gonna take these out. So there's a little push thing here, and you just push in, and they slide right out. So this one, push in, slides right out. So we'll get that out of our way. The next thing is this rain sensor here. So we're gonna just push this clip in. Okay, so there's a clip on this rain sensor. It's right here. And you just gotta push it out. So now you put in the wire harness that this tool came with. So this part goes onto, snaps right onto that one, and then this goes back up into where your rain sensor is, so you can still have your rain sensor. All right, so I got the dash camera in 2 spots here. I ran the cable up through the liner, and then it comes into the connector that came in the kit. So the connector that comes in the kit is where your rain sensor plugs in here. And so you undo the rain sensor, put it in the wire harness, and then the other end of the wire harness plug into the rain sensor, so the rain sensor will still work. And then this is the power that it only fits in there one way. And then, so to make this fit back in, you're just gonna clip it in here, and then you're gonna get the other side and clip it together until you hear it snap. All right. All right, so that's snapped together. You got the clear line going straight down. There's no gap anymore. And the next thing we got to do is then put this. The next thing we got to do is put your headlights or your inside lights and stuff back together. So let me go ahead and clip that in there. You got to remember where everything clipped in now. This clips in here. This is going to clip in there. Okay. And then this clips in the back. And then you got to put your 2 screws in. Okay, so I got those 2 screws in. It's a little bit easier to use a drill because my drill has a light on it. And so that's what it looks like when it's done. Let's go take a look from the front and see how it looks. I like how factory this setup looks, you know. So let's go take a look from the front, see what it looks like. All right, it's kind of hard to see, but that's the camera in there. You can see from this angle. So it looks all factory, so that's pretty cool. Okay, I installed the app and I connected to the dash camera Wi-Fi. The app is really easy to use. You can see the live footage, and then you can also click on all the recorded videos, and you can watch them. And then if you want to download them, you can just click the download button. So this app is really easy to use. You just connect to the Wi-Fi of the dash camera, and then you'll be able to access all of the footage if you need it. So okay guys, I really like this dash camera because this is a brand new car, guys, right? So you want to not junk it up with a bunch of stuff on your dash. This is built like it's from the factory, so it's gonna look great in this car. And I've always showed you the app, how cool that is, and how you can download the files, and it comes with an SD card for free, you know, with the package. So if you guys have a Mazda CX-5, go ahead and get this dash cam. I know it fits some other Mazdas. I think they said that if there's like a vent holes on the left side, driver's side or something, then it'll fit. But go ahead and read the description to make sure it fits your car. But this thing fit my 2005 CX-5 perfectly, and we're gonna love it. So go ahead and get it. Thanks.